Have you ever wondered why weight loss seems to be the talk of the town? Why does shedding those extra pounds matter so much? Welcome to a journey of understanding the profound impact of weight loss on health. Remember, this is not about fitting into societal norms of beauty, but about embracing a healthier lifestyle. Weight loss, when done right, can be a transformative process, not just physically but mentally and emotionally too. It's about a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. But how does one go about it? Firstly, establish a routine. Waking up early, for instance, sets the tone for the day. It provides that extra time to plan and prepare meals or squeeze in a workout. Secondly, hydration is key. Make it a habit to start the day with a glass of water. As the day progresses, aim for at least 8 glasses. Water not only aids digestion but also keeps the body energized and helps in detoxification. Thirdly, incorporate a balanced diet. This means including various food groups in the right proportions. Opt for whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Remember, it's not about starving, but about nourishing the body. Fourthly, physical activity is a must. It could be a brisk walk, a high-intensity workout, yoga, or even dancing. The goal is to get the body moving and the heart pumping. Lastly, sleep is crucial. A good night's sleep aids in recovery and rejuvenates the body for the next day. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. The benefits of weight loss are far-reaching. It can help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetes. It can lower the strain on the heart, decreasing the likelihood of heart diseases. It can alleviate pressure on the kidneys, preventing kidney-related ailments. And it can even boost mental health by improving mood and reducing stress levels. In conclusion, weight loss is a journey of self-improvement that goes beyond the physical appearance. It's about adopting healthier habits and making better choices for overall well-being. It's about understanding the body's needs and fulfilling them adequately. As we wrap up, remember, every step towards a healthier lifestyle counts. It's never too late to start. And on this journey, the only competition is oneself. So embark on this journey of weight loss and embrace the healthier, happier version of oneself. Thank you for joining this enlightening journey. Feel free to explore other videos on this channel for more insights. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments section. Stay tuned for more, and remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time, choose health, choose life.